So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and tonight I have a very sad news about Briana Williams, right? In this video, I will share with you every single detail you need to know about Briana Williams' current situation. So in case this happens to be your first time, before I continue, do me a favor to please like this video and of course subscribe to the YouTube channel. So as we all know, Briana Williams is an Olympic medalist, right? Tokyo Olympic 2020, Briana Williams participated and she became a star from that day on. As you can see, the bracelet on her chest in this video was representing an Olympics participation. And what does this mean? This means that Briana Williams is a successful professional athlete. But it seems like, let me repeat myself, it seems like her career is gradually going down and crumbling. Yes, because with the current situation of Brian Williams, it is very sad and unfortunate to say that I feel like crying for her, because when I heard the news that Brian Williams will not, I repeat, will not be among the teams participating in this year Paris Olympic, my eyes was full of tears, because Briana Williams have always been putting in the work. She is hardworking, she is resilient, she is perseverance, she is putting in all the work, but things still seems not to be working for her. That is why I said no matter how hardworking you are, always pray for grace and mercy from God, right? Because at the end of the day, it's not all about hard work. No. It can never be all about hard work. There is somebody out there that is more powerful than us, and is God. So Brian Williams is in an unfortunate situation of not going to the Paris Olympic 2024 because she misses the qualification standard. Now let me list the name of athlete going to the Paris Olympic 2024 so you can see if your favorite athlete makes the list or not. And so below are the list of athletes going to Paris Olympic. Now if Briana Williams is supposed to make it to Paris Olympic, then these are the list of the events she is supposed to make. Now we have Tia Clinton, Shashili Forbes, Shelly and Fraser Price, Sherika Jackson, Alana Red as a reserve for the 4x100 meter relay pool in Paris Olympic. And next we have Junior Bromifide, Staffini, Nikisha, Stacy, Ashley Williams in the 4x400 meter relay pool going to Paris. And we have 4x400 meter relay mixed team. We have the likes of Andrenet, Charugi, and also Stephanie and MC Fison going to the 4x400 meter relay mix. Now another list that if Briana Williams is going to Paris Olympics she is supposed to make is the 100 meters, 200 meters and 400 meters. And here are the list of athletes going to Paris Olympic in this event. Now we have Tia Clinton, Sherika Jackson, Shelly and Fraser Price and Shashili Forbes as the 400 meter contenders going to Paris Olympic. Next on the list is the 200 meters. We have Nisha Berger, we have Sherika Jackson, and we have Lani Tava Thomas going to Paris Olympic in the 200 meters. And the 400 meters we have Junior Bromifide, Statsy and Williams, Nikisha Price, Staffini and MC Ferguson as a reserve. So these are the list of female athletes going to Paris Olympic 2024. And as you can see, Briana Williams is nowhere to be found. And I feel so sorry for Briana Williams because this is a big moment for her. A second Olympic qualification will make her a superstar. But unfortunately, she missed a chance.
And guess what? I feel like this is actually a big blow to Briana Williams' career. Imagine someone who has been working hard for 4 years, all her life, finally getting a disqualification or not meeting the standard to participate in Paris. It's not as if they denied her the opportunity. She was given the opportunity, but her hard work was not enough. So sad, so sad.